Let me show you how we can manage home screen widgets on a Samsung Galaxy A37. So in order to add a widget onto the home screen, you can, for example, press and hold your finger on an empty space on the home screen, and then here at the bottom we can go to widgets. Now here in widgets we should be able to find a couple of example widgets that we can use. We can also scroll down in order to find specific widgets from apps of your choice in here, of course as long as an app provides at least one widget. And then if you find a widget that you wish to use, then you should be able to, for example, press and hold your finger on that widget. Let's say I'm going to choose this one, and then we can drag and drop it anywhere. And also you can tap on the widget itself to add it immediately to the home screen as well, to the first available space. Now in here we can also adjust the size of the widget, at least in many cases we can. Not every widget can be resized, and in some cases we have limited resizing options. If you cannot see these outlines, you can just press and hold your finger in order to see these outlines then, and we can grab by the corner to adjust the size of the widget. There we go. Also, in order to add a widget, you can just press and hold your finger on an app, whether it is on the home screen or app drawer, and then once you see these additional options, you have widgets options, so you will see widgets only from that specific app. And then just like before, we can press and hold your finger on that widget to add it to the home screen. You can place it anywhere, or you can just tap on the widget in order to find the add button. And there we go. Besides that, if you want to remove a widget, it is pretty simple. Just press and hold your finger on that widget, and then we have the remove option. There is also an option that allows you to create a stack. And stack is a group of widgets that are placed in the same position. So if you want to save space on your home screen, you can create a stack of widgets, and you can add widgets that are exactly the same size as the widget that is already added. So if I want to create a stack in here, this widget is 4x2 in this example, so I can only use widgets that are exactly 4x2, or they can be resized to 4x2. So let's say I'm going to choose an example widget in here. Let's just add it. And there we go. We have created a stack. We can swipe between these widgets now. So this is why we can easily save space on the home screen, since we can have multiple widgets in one spot. You can of course edit this stack as well. So if you tap on edit stack, then over here we can see the list of all widgets that are added into the same spot. You can remove a widget of course from that stack, or you can just press this plus button and you can choose another widget that you want to add. There we go, that is not a problem. We can of course reorganize these widgets, so if you wish to change the order, that is also possible. You can just simply press and hold your finger on that widget in here and then just drag it to the left or right side. And there we go. That is pretty much it. This is how we can use home screen widgets on Samsung Galaxy A37. Leave a like and subscribe.